This is not just a video, this is a remembrance, a breath sent through time. To reach the one who's ready to rise, close your eyes. Breathe into the space where words dissolve, where thoughts fall silent, and the soul begins to speak. You've wandered far through shadows and spark, but now the mirror calls you home. You are not broken, you are becoming. What if healing wasn't something you seek, but something that's always been waiting to speak? What if the ache, the crack, the tear were hidden altars of answered prayer? There is light in your breath. There is gold in your scars. There is memory within you older than stars. You are not the noise, the shame, the fear. You are the silence that draws it near to clear. Say it with me. I release what I am not. I return to the flame I forgot. I bless the pain. I no longer curse it. I am the vessel that chose to reverse it. Every thought that tried to dim my glow, I now transmute. I let it go. I am the fire that walked through night. I am the soul that remembers light. Breathe deep. Let the old timeline break. Let the false self ache and melt into wake. You were never meant to fit. You were meant to lead, to feel, to seed. Awaken, alchemist, the time is now. Say these words, I remember who I am. I walk with the unseen hand. I carry light even when I fall. I am not weak, I am the call. Let the past be the ash. Let the present be gold. Let your story unfold as it was foretold. The matrix bends where the soul is clear, and you are the mirror they fear. Now return gently, not as the one who began this, but as the one who remembered. You are not lost. You are layered. You are not waiting. You are wired. You are not broken. You are the bloom that broke through stone to make more room. Shine in silence. Awaken, alchemist. This video was created by Preserve Humanity.